Instruction board.
I can follow the local guy here. Hey.
Good morning. I'm the local guy here. So this is the handicap factory of the government. And we take care of the worker that are explained by the agent orientation. Please follow me go in the factory and I will show you step by step.
Oh, we never been here, no?
Huh?
They never show us this.
Mấy cục đa, mấy cục đa. This is the hand painting stuff. We do the long way, one person, one work. And we make some traditional design in Vietnam. You look the hands of the girl, is from seashell,
Yeah, it's
mother
like
of pearl.
shells.
The lady is white color, is duck egg.
Duck
You can
egg.
touch now. It's smooth because we polishing already. Eggshell inside the lacquer. And the red in the middle, we painting over here. But the color onward, we design red because in Vietnam, red color is mean happy and lucky. We make it red.
Like in Chinese. Red is the color.
Now we make another design.
It's hard because it's so small.
Yeah. They got the girl in bicycle, see design. Or the Mekong Delta. This Mekong Delta. We make black and white only, but it's not simple. The background we do 24 layer. First time polishing, then second time about 24 times like that. So color, even your hand evening, is still shiny. Now we can see how we make eggshell.
Any layer one by one. You can look there and they are very complete. We need to make for the extra really small.
This is duck egg.
And here this one you see, this is the extra powder. We use extra powder to make the background.
Cầm quá cầm mà, cầm qua bước này.
Cầm nó qua lúc này bước kia luôn.
We wait for it to dry. And then we use the extra then cover on and then polish and then cover and then polish.
This is duck egg. Natural duck egg is white color. We burn it by fire, brown, black, yellow. We don't use chicken. Chicken very thin. This is duck egg. It's thicker and stronger. First we drawing by hand. After that we paint in the lacquer. This is lacquer. It's from lacquer tree oil and cashew oil together. We will paint in the lacquer first, then we cross one by one. Before and after inlay over there. We make two girls in eggshell. One girl in the middle is red color. And the head is seashell later. Three ladies like that. That's three ladies or six ladies. We change design differently. See to the Picasso design. Before, after polish, and then make color inside the shell.
And this one is a big after we polish, mother part really inside. But it has not seen on. It is carving on the press, not this one.
This is the tiger. First we cross different side one by one first, but with one very small. We will use eggshell powder. This is the egg, first powder. He will wrinkle the small one. Now we do Mekong River, the same design, but bigger. But the tiger more difficult to make. After finish, we sell the tiger more expensive than this because it's easy. Hey, polishing that black and white tiger after polish. Then finish, we do the red color tiger. And here she make the Mother Mary. We do the Buddha. One version, one word. They make not only one version, they will make one design but many together. and we carry next step. We will pull the letter and polish it. We have seashell.
After scuba, this one is far over there. We will painting up. And after painting, we need to cover and turn the logo.
You see mother of earth seashell. We take from the sea. Now you see the rainbow color shining. You see inside, they are original mother of earth. First we drawing by hand, they drawing, and he cutting by over their hand saw. After cut, it's similar. Very different, mother of earth. And then we stick on the bowl of the halong bowl. We stick on the wood. Material we use rosewood. The rosewood very strong wood in Vietnam. We cover like a similar ducket. They still unpolished. We need to polish them until they are smooth. Seashell inside the letter. So we look the polishing water over there. We painting lacquer on the top already. We polish here by whetstone, by sandpaper. We will remove the black color until the dirt come out slowly, but they already smooth. You can touch eggshell, seashell inside the lacquer. Very smooth. One girl, red color lacquer. Two girls. One girl in the red, one girl eggshell. And he polishing the girl stand in the window. We put the blue window in the middle. That's natural water. You look the black color of the lacquer after they polish. We will shining and clean it after that. Để có quyển không?
This the one is so
Shining,
nice.
shining and clean.
See, they are also beautiful in the paint.
You look the background is more shiny. The varnishing on the top first, and we will use this car cream, car polish. We shining by a little bit car cream, we shining by hand until they beautiful like this. We will do the strong work for you hang on the wall, or you can get the stand you can put on the table. Finished products we don't sell to the market, don't sell outside. Maybe you look everywhere, they got the like that, but they don't have factory. Almost you smell the chemical a lot there. Here we say no with chemical. Even you see the worker, they're working not with the mask, because we use all natural.
Natural.
Yeah. Like the video, we have a small showroom. Government use 60% for charity, support the regional industry. We can look inside. If we like, we take something. Or if we don't like, just take a look. Don't worry about that. Thank
This
you.
is so pretty.
Yeah. Now we go this way, but inside no photo.
Okay.